Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at C structure and type def. That is assignment 00E. So before we dive into the actual task, ensure that you go through the document that you have been provided as the reading material. So go all of them, just take your time before you do the actual assignment. Having done that, the next step, go to the requirement, the general requirement. As usual, you're supposed to use the VHI, Vim, or the Emacs. Then next step, you are supposed to compile your work using the GCC. Next step, you are supposed to create a README file at the root of your folder, which is mandatory. Then for this case, we are not going to have the puchar and the main H. Okay, then we have this part where we have maybe the quiz. Maybe I can take you through in 1 minute. These two codes can do the same thing, which is very true. If you look at the codes, code 1 and the code 2, which is very true. Then number 2, you should write the documentation of all the structure you create true as soon as you write the structure. Then next part, give this code. So we have 3 and 7, supposed to be 98, and these are the 1. Then next part, the general syntax of the structure declared in C is check this one, and it's supposed to be true. Okay, next part we have the mandatory assignment. So we have number 0, the pop, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 numbers. So I will take the shortest time possible to take you through this particular assignment. Okay, so let's move to number 0, which is the poppy. Then we have define a new type structure dog with the following element: name, age, and the owner. Okay, so we are supposed to create our assignment, or rather our project, on the GitHub repository ALX low level programming. Then our directory is supposed to be 00E structural typedef. And the first file should be dog.h. Okay, so as usual, let's go to our sandbox. So let me see what I have in my repo. So as you can see, this is where I'm going to create my projects. Oh my god, it's a problem. I've missed to open it. So I will use the CD to open my repo. Let me see. So those are the directories that I have in my repo. Okay, now our number 1, we are supposed to create a directory by the name 00E structure type def. Okay, so make directory mkdir, which stand for make directory. Okay, so let me see whether I've created that. You can see that I've already created. It's this one. So the next step is to open it. So I will use the CD to open my already created directory. Let me see whether there's anything inside. So for the ls, we use the ls to see what we have inside that directory. As you can see, it's an empty one. So as per the instruction, I'm supposed to create a readme file inside. Okay, so vi readme.md. Okay, I will use the I, which stands for insert, to write something. here. Okay, I will copy this one as the title to be the details to include. Okay, I use the escape colon WQ to escape. Okay, the next step is to move directly to assignment number 1, which is you are supposed to define a new type of structure dog with the following statement: name, type, character, age, type, float, owner, type, character. So I will create a file. This is my file name. So vi, okay, paste. I've already created the codes for this assignment, so you don't have to get worried on how to go about it. I will share this one on the description. Below my description, I'll share the link where you can see these codes. Okay, then I paste, escape, WQ. Number two, a dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than you love yourself. So I'm supposed to write a function that initialize a variable type struct dog, prototype avoid init, structure dog, character name, float engine, the owner. So I will copy the name of the file, copy, paste, insert. Then this is my code, include all the way to the last part, copy, escape, WQ. Then we have the next part. The next part, I'm supposed to write a function that prints a structure dog, prototype, void print, format. See example below. You're allowed to use the standard library. If an element is a D, is null, print nil instead of the element. If the name. Okay, so the name of the file is C. Copy, paste. Let me see. Insert. Then I go to my code. Then we move to the next part. Define a new. We're supposed to define a new type of dog tree as the new name for the type structure. So this is the file name. Copy. Then you paste on this part. Okay, copy the code. Then next assignment, how many legs does the dog have? And you're supposed to write a function that frees dog. So this is the name of the file. Insert. Okay, having done that, let's move now to part 2, on which I'm supposed to, let's go to number 0, copy this one, then next part, copy one main C for number 1, then you paste. Okay, copy. We are almost through with our part number 2. Okay, number 4, and move to number 4. Then the next part is to git add, git commit, This is a structure. And lastly, git push. Having done that, let's check to see whether we have done the right thing. Check code. Okay, it's working perfect, as you can see. Next part. So working, all the checkers are green, meaning that we have followed the right procedure. Same to this one. It's okay. It's also correct. Okay, then our last part. Let's see whether we have done the right thing. But you don't have to worry on whether it will be going to green as long as you follow, as you watch. Ensure that step number one, you watch the video from up to the end before you attempt. Step two, ensure that you also go through the reading material that you have been provided with. If at all you follow my instruction, you find the assignment quite easy. And as I've also said that I will share this on a small part at the video description, so you don't have to worry on where to get all these on. So I think that's all. Maybe in case you have any question, don't shy away to reach me through the comment section. I will go through all the questions that I will get through my comment section. In case you need any clarification, I will definitely get back to you. So once again, I take this opportunity to appreciate for those who have taken time to watch. So after watching, don't forget to like, comment, and also to subscribe so that you can continue to support the channel. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.